let's make a stew. But I've got a problem. I've only got one pot in my caravan, and this is it. This is a C to Summit Detour pot. It's stainless, fancy, I love it. This video is not about a pot, but it's that big. Face pot. It's too small. Stew is big, so I need a bigger pot. And the only other pot that I have is this one, my camp oven. Now normally I put that on a fire, but today we're going to do it a little bit differently. So while the steak is grilling, we'll get our gear together. So, camp oven, a stove, some gas. The secret to the perfect stew is never use any water. When I'm making stew, I like to have the meat in first and then literally whatever veggies you have, but it's always good to have potato in there. Now it's time to, very importantly, crack a drink. And it's not water. Wooden spoon. I searched for quite a while to find this one. This one was hand carved, not from China, by a local guy, and I found it at a farmer's market. I'm gonna make my own spoon one of these days. It smells pretty good. Doing some of the dishes while I wait for the stew to cook. Just appreciating the patina on my carbon steel knives. That little bit there tells the story about how my knife was left on the kitchen counter after it was washed and wasn't dried. So it started rusting. Like even this over here, bush craft knife. I absolutely love it. See that wasabi knife? That's a stainless steel blade. See how shiny it is? It'll just stay that shiny for the rest of its life. It's your own fault. You clicked on a video that's made by a fastidious golden retriever, so you're gonna see all these things as I make stew.